Yes, my people, welcome back to the Mac 4K World Tour. Yeah, man, touring all over Jamaica and all over the world.
That's right.
Yes, so this morning I'm going to give you a driving tour in Hanover, and we're starting this one at Hopewell. Yeah.
Yes, guys, we're starting this one at Hopewell, straight into Hanover.
So yeah. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the tour.
Yes, and this one is from Hanover to Lucy.
Yep. Yeah, so we are coming up into the little town of Hopewell.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is Hopewell, eh?
Yeah.
So this is the town of Hopewell, guys. Hopewell, yes. It's the town of Hopewell.
Oh, some nice house going up on the hilltop there.
Yes. Beautiful house. My house is very nice. You see nice beaches all over that side as well.
Yeah, man, that's so nice. Beach over there. Do a little stop right here and go on the beach side. Yeah. Alright, guys.
Yes, we need to take a little walk on the beach side.
Yeah, definitely. Alright, guys, so I think we're still in Hopewell here. Yeah, still in Hopewell. So we're just gonna go by the beach side here and see what's up. Wow. Very nice here. Water is clean and nice, eh? Yeah. Yeah. I see some straw mat out there. I guess they Well, I know they are selling those straw mat there, so I'm gonna ask the price for the straw mat. Oh, and you can have some beautiful shell here. Hello, hi, what's up? You sell these? Wow, look at this shell here. It's so beautiful. Hi, what's up? You sell these? Huh? Oh, you don't. Oh, you dumb. Oh, okay. Oh, she cannot talk, guys. Yes, my brother. Wow, it's so nice, eh? Yeah. Oh, look at the plane coming over, coming to land. Yeah. How you sell these, pops? The shell. Huh?
What you want?
No, how much? Yeah. Huh? 20 US. Oh, okay. And the straw mat?
Strama.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, how much for these?
Come on, man. Come on.
How much for the straw mat?
Strama.
Yeah.
You have all different prices.
Yeah, okay.
This is a small doorway, man.
Oh yes, this one here. This
Yeah.
one here.
This one, 5,000.
5,000.
Yeah.
Oh.
And you can get it before.
Okay, this is 4.
Yeah.
And this one here?
That one, that one is for 15,000.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Chicken.
It's thick.
Yeah.
Where you made it from?
River Rush.
Oh, River Rush. Oh, okay. Wow. Huh? Can look down the line. Are you selling them too?
Yeah, man.
Oh, you sell them?
$2.
$2.
Yeah.
Oh, Lord. I have to go make sure I get some money when I come back. Well, they look good, man. They look nice. Yeah, man. I take a picture of them, man. Yes, guys. So when you're in Hanover, Hopewell, right? Hanover, Hopewell, right here.
Yeah.
Yes.
David Brown.
Huh?
David Brown, I'm right
Eh?
here. David Brown, I'm right here.
Oh, David Brown.
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
right here.
All right, guys. So make sure you come and check out David Brown right here. He built this mat here. So come and support him.
Yes, sir.
Get it.
Yeah, but I have to go to the machine.
No, I get it.
Go to the machine and get some cash. Wow. I like the mats them. They're very nice. Yeah.
40 years.
Huh?
40 years.
40 years you do this?
40 years.
Whoa, right here. Whoa.
This is the right lesson. That's the right job.
Okay. Okay. Oh. Yeah. So you can build in the sea right here?
No, that's a rough.
Oh, it's rough.
I mean, that's a shallow.
Oh, it's shallow. Oh. 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 You have a lovely swing guy here. Can I sit in it? Yes, man, I get a swing. Right, the record, yeah. All right, guys. Stop at the road here and under the tree, almond tree here with a swing song. Yeah. Nice. Long time I don't do this. Ooh. All right. All right, that's it. Yeah.
Jamaica as well, you know.
Yeah, man.
Production.
Yeah.
Production as well.
All right. We all right, guys? So we're gonna continue our journey into Lucy. Yeah. Creator can't leave him out. All right. Take care of yourself, yeah? Yeah, man. All right. Yeah. Wow. All right, guys. So we continue our journey. Yeah, man. Alright guys, so we continue our journey to Lucy.
Yes,
Yeah.
we continue our journey from here to Lucy. Now, guys. Looks to me like the soldiers there. I don't know if that's what I'm seeing right, but I'm sure. Yep, it is the soldiers.
Yeah.
The soldiers. Yeah.
Some beautiful house up on the hill there. Got that.
Right up there is this.
Yeah.
Most of them are really beautiful, you know.
Yeah. Fish. They're going by the beach there, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, right down there.
Yes, man, the beach road is very beautiful.
Yeah. Yeah. On this side is very green. Look at the trees.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Very, very green.
Yeah. You can see they have a lot of rain
Yes.
in this area. Yeah. Yeah. Wow, what a pothole that.
That was a very big one.
Yeah. Yeah, so we're coming up to Hopewell Golf Course. So this is the golf course over there.
Golf course.
Yeah.
Golf course. It's right over that side. This is it.
It's on both sides.
Okay. It's also on the it's also on that side as well.
Yeah. Wow. You saw the tree, the formation of the tree
Yes.
right over the road here.
Very beautiful.
Yeah, very nice. Much on this. There's a beach down there, see that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Nice beach there.
We got a nice beach over that side.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Some nice houses over this side, guys.
Yeah.
Yes, very nice houses.
Wow. Oh. We are in Sandy Bay now.
Okay.
Yeah, this is Sandy Bay.
Okay, so we're in Sandy Bay now.
Yeah.
Yes, welcome to Sandy Bay, guys.
Mm-hmm.
And there's a soldier them again. Yes.
Yeah. Look at that plane up there taking the right turn, turning to go to the airport to land. See it right up there? You see?
Yes.
Wow, look at that.
Right over there.
Yeah. Making
Ready
the
to go London.
yeah.
Ready to do London now.
yeah. So we are in Sandy Bay. Mr. Express. That is in Knoxford Express.
Okay.
Yeah. Hope you are enjoying the tour, guys. Yeah. deer giant over there.
Mhm.
Yeah. Nice rosy scheme over there. Yeah. Yeah, so this is Grand Palais de Matink in Hanover.
Okay, so we are now in Andover.
Yeah, we're in Hanover.
Okay, so yes, guys, so we are now in Andover. Welcome to Andover, and yes, we're here exploring.
I stay over this hotel already.
Okay, this one over here.
Yeah, this one over here.
Mm.
See the name there? Grand Palais Resort.
Alright, very nice.
Uh-huh. I think police and say police. are now in Lucy, but not in the center of the town.
It's okay, guys. So we just arrived in Lucy, but we're not in the town city as yet.
Alright guys, so we are approaching the town of Lucy now. Yeah.
Okay, so we're in the town of Lucy. That's the town of Lucy now, guys.
So thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting the channel. And remember to like, share and subscribe.
There we go, guys. Welcome to Lucy. There we go. Lucy's right over there. There's a sign.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. Signing out here, guys, from the lovely land in Jamaica, here in Lucy.
Lucy.